A very good day I bid to our lecturer, Professional Technologist, Dr. Chia Chin Hua. So today we would like to present to you about our topic, which is formaldehyde. Before that, I would like to introduce to you our group members, which are Siti Nurmunira binti Rosdan, metric number A179334, Farid Farihin bin Muhammad Firdaus, A181279, Nurul Afika binti Muhammad Salih, A183884, and me myself, Nur Fazira binti Azmi, metric number A180953. Firstly, I will start with the introduction. Formaldehyde is more complicated than many simple carbon compounds in that it adopts several diverse forms. These compounds can often be used interchangeably and can be interconverted. Some of the compounds are: first, molecular formaldehyde. It is a colorless gas with a characteristic of pungent and irritating odor. It is stable at 150 degrees Celsius but polymerized when condensed to a liquid. Next is 1,3,5-trioxane. It is a white solid that dissolves without degradation in organic solvents. It is a trimer of formaldehyde molecules. Next is paraformaldehyde. The majority of solvents cannot dissolve in this whitish solid. Lastly is methanediol. This chemical also coexists in equilibrium with them depending on temperature and concentration.
The simplest of the aldehydes, formaldehyde, HCHO, commonly known as methanol, IUPAC name, is an organic molecule utilized in huge quantities during numerous chemical industrial processes. It is often supplied as formalin, an aqueous solution with a 37% concentration, and is primarily manufactured via the vapor phase oxidation of methanol. Formalin can be dehydrated to yield trioxane, a crystalline trimer, or paraformaldehyde, an amorphous polymer that is an easy way to produce gaseous formaldehyde. Given that the chemical formula of formaldehyde contains a carbon atom, it is an organic substance. Additionally, it is categorized as an aldehyde, which is an organic compound, shown here as RC double bond OH, that has a formal group and a R group, which is a group that comprises carbon and or hydrogen. Its polar carbon-oxygen link makes this molecule very reactive. The compound has a partial negative charge at one end and a partial positive charge at the other because the oxygen atom attracts electrons more strongly than the carbon atom. Due to its propensity to absorb and give electrons, it can stick to other polar molecules.
The properties of formaldehyde. Formaldehyde is a flammable, colorless gas at room temperature and has a pungent, suffocating odor. Odor threshold ranging from 0.5 to 1.0 parts per million ppm and 0.06 to 0.5 ppm. The chemical formula is CH2O. The molar mass is 30.026 gram per mole -1. The appearance is colorless gas. The density is 0.8153 gram per centimeter cube. The melting point is -92 degrees Celsius and the boiling point is -19 degrees Celsius. Next, the solubility in water is 400 gram per liter. The vapor pressure is less than 1 atm. The acidity is 13.27 hydrate. The magnetic susceptibility is -18.6 times 10 power of -6 centimeter cube per mole, and the dipole moment is 2.330 dBi. Next, I want to present about the advantages of formaldehyde. Formaldehyde is one of the most crucial chemical building blocks in today's manufacturing industry since it can chemically react with a large number of other molecules to create strong structures. Formaldehyde offers exceptionally high functionality while using less resources. This indicates that It is cost effective because no other organic molecule can produce the same effect for less cost. Resource efficiency also means that there is no waste or energy during production. Formaldehyde offers increased utility for consumers in the form of extended usage, consistent quality, reliable performance, and safety, whether it is used in polywood for home construction, fuel system component for automobiles, or door and window insulation for modern airlines. Its advantages are low cost, simplicity of use, and good fixation trait, which are fast tissue penetration, good preservation of morphological structures, and compatibility with downstream histological application. The advantage of formaldehyde is higher maximum operating temperature, better dielectric constant, cracking resistance, dimensional stability compared with cellulose-filled urea formaldehyde, lower cost, and good electrical insulator. Next is about disadvantages of formaldehyde. Formaldehyde contains significant harm to human health as well as widespread use. Formaldehyde has a sharp odor that can be detectable at low concentration, and its vapor and solution are known as skin and eye irritant in human beings. When formaldehyde is present in the air at level exceeding 0.1 ppm, some individuals may experience adverse effects such as watery eyes, burning sensations in the eyes, nose, and throat, coughing, wheezing, nausea, and skin irritation. Formaldehyde inhaled at this concentration may cause headache, a burning sensation in the throat, and difficulty breathing. Disadvantages of formaldehyde is negative effect on nucleic acid, lower high density temperature, higher water absorption and mole shrinkage, lower surface hardness, and breathing difficulties. That's all from me. Thank you.
A pungent, colorless gas called formaldehyde is a component of many household goods and building materials. It is used in glues and adhesives, permanent pressed fabrics, paper product coatings, pressed wood products like particle board, polywood, and fiberboard, as well as glues and insulation materials. Formalin is a substance that becomes dissolved in water and frequently used in industrial disinfectants, morgues, and medical labs as a preservative. Additionally, it can be found in various food and in goods like antiseptics, pharmaceuticals, and cosmetics as a preservative. The substances that emit formaldehyde are sometimes used even though formaldehyde itself is not.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I'm going to share to all of you guys about the applications of formaldehyde in various sectors. There are so many applications that we can notice in recent years of the use of formaldehyde. So one of the implications is in medicine. Formaldehyde has a long story of use in manufactures of vaccines, anti-defective drugs, and hard gel capsules. It kills many bacteria, fungi, and etc. and used as an antiseptic. Some parasites and warts are treated by formaldehyde. It helps to produce some vaccines and also sterilize them. It can be used in treatments of infection like urinary tract infection, and bacteria can be prevented. So next, I'm going to share about the formaldehyde used in buildings and constructions. Formaldehyde resins are used to manufacture wooden products, which are used widely in furniture, cabinetry, moldings, flooring, shelving, countertops, and other household furnishings. The wood products industry uses formaldehyde-based resins in a wide range of panels and board products, enabling sustainable use of forestry resources and minimize waste. For example, composite wood panels are typically made from recovered wood waste that might otherwise be burned or disposed of in a landfill. Next, I'm going to share about the formaldehyde uses in foods and others. In recent years, Formaldehyde is reported to be widely used as a preservative to increase the shelf life of fruits and fishes in tropical countries. It is used as a preservative in food, spirits, and cosmetics, used as an antiseptic in medicine, disinfectant in funeral home, used in RDS. It is because to improve the use of fuel and in use in petroleum and natural gas industry. It is also used in manufacture of ink. I think that is all from me. Thank you.
And lastly is the specialty of the products. First, in building and construction, formaldehyde-based glues are superb bonding agents that provide high-quality performance while being reasonably priced. Formaldehyde-based resins allowing for the sustainable use of forestry resources and reducing waste. Next is healthcare applications. Influenza virus is inactivated using formaldehyde in the production of the influenza vaccine so that it cannot spread diseases. Third is personal care. Formaldehyde releasing chemicals in these goods serve as preservative to kill germs and stop the growth of bacteria and other infections, thereby increasing the shelf life of the product. And lastly, in automobiles, vehicles that are formaldehyde technology are lighter and use less energy. Interior molded components and under the hood parts that must tolerate high temperature are made with formaldehyde-based resins. Thank you.